Everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. In my today's video, I will tell you about the ear speaker problem in your device OnePlus 10 Pro. Before starting the video, if you are new here, do subscribe and press the bell icon. So now let's move to the topic. If in your device OnePlus 10 Pro you're having problem related to the ear speaker, or you can say the calling speaker, you can solve this by the method as I'm showing in this video. So follow the steps and watch complete video and you can learn how you can solve the ear speaker problem in your device OnePlus 10 Pro. Let's watch it.